Hi, this is Nunu, and I'm with you in discussion 6, essay about curriculum posed obstacles, 120 points, 1,000 words. Okay, so what are curriculum posed obstacles? What is the curriculum? The curriculum is what we learn. So how does what we learn pose obstacles to student success, cause students not to do well in their classes, in their studies? Okay, let's survey this assignment. We can see that we have 5 links here. We have due dates and 4 links below it. I am going to click on the link for the due dates and make you aware of the assignment due dates. I'm going to ask you to read these other 4 links on your own: the requirements, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose. Okay, let's scroll down and see what we have. We have a part 1, and we have a part 2. We have a works cited, and we have help with quoting, because we will be quoting in this assignment. Okay, let's scroll up and let's read part 1 together. And I'm going to make the screen a little bit bigger for us. So, part 1. For a targeted reader group of your choice, teachers, students, parents, administrators, politicians, 1. Write a 3 to 4 page essay, 750 to 1,000 words, in which you argue that science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM majors, and non-STEM majors should or should not be required to complete the same general education requirements. 2. Support your thesis for a persuasive purpose. Something that you want to persuade readers must be done in order to avoid making the curriculum an obstacle to student success. In other words, write an essay with a rhetorical focus. If you do not know what a rhetorical focus is, please view the video below. And here is our video, developing a rhetorical focus for an essay, right here. Our third direction, quote from 2 of the sources in the work cited below for a total of 2 quotes from 2 different sources. Okay, so I'm going to minimize the screen a little bit so that our work cited is aligned again. We have our work cited here. Common Core Standards, we have an article by Catherine Guwertz that you read earlier. We have Andrew Hacker and Daniel Willingham. I strongly recommend that you focus on these articles, Andrew Hacker's and Daniel Willingham's. Okay, scrolling down, of course, I told you you have help with quoting for the articles that you will need to quote to from the works cited. Okay, so let's look at part 2. Click here for peer evaluation directions. I'm going to click here, and the peer evaluation directions come up, which you will need to read and follow. Okay, so I'm going to scroll back up the screen. I'm going to click on the due dates, and let's make these a little bigger so you can see them. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you will not be able to meet these due dates, come over here to inbox, email me, and let's have a conversation. Tell me what's going on, why you cannot submit on time, and I'll try to work out a solution for you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, getting back into our assignment. So here we are in discussion 6 again, the essay about curriculum posed obstacles. I am over here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to email me. You're never emailing me a silly question, a silly concern. Everything's important. Email me as many times as you need to until the assignment is clear. Teach me how to teach you, how to make the directions clear. Okay, let's enjoy this assignment.